Hi, I'm Lucas Whitmer. I'm a product development engineer here at the MK Morse Company, and today we're going to talk about making plunge cuts in wood with our 6 TPI Pro Demo Wood blade. One tech tip I'd like to give you when you're making plunge cuts is that I like to have my blade in the saw upside down, so that way my battery pack isn't getting in my way when I'm making my plunge. So, always remember, unplug your tool when you're changing your blade, and then take your blade and flip it in your saw upside down. Another tech tip too is that I'm right-handed, and coming from this angle, I'm not going to be able to push as hard as I need to. So I'm going to make this cut left-handed. So we'll come in square to the workpiece like this. Make sure you're pressing down so your saw doesn't jump away from you, and then just start your cut. And there you go. Now you've made your plunge cut. So go ahead and finish it off. That's just a short little tech tip to make a few easier plunge cuts in wood. For more information,
visit cwhaydenonline.com to learn more.